Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can hide your Facebook profile from public. Okay, firstly open a browser, then go to your facebook.com. Okay, after coming to Facebook you have to click on your picture, then you have to go to settings and privacy, click on settings. Okay, after coming to settings, in the left side you will see an option called privacy. Okay, after coming to privacy settings and tools, the how people can find you and contact you option, you will see an option called who can look you up using the phone number you provided. Okay, you have to make it only me. Okay, you have to make it only me. And another option, you will see an option called do you want search engine outside Facebook to link to your profile. You have to check these options as well. So now your account is private, no one can find you while searching, or no one can find you by using your phone number as well. So this is how you can make your Facebook profile private from the public. So thank you guys, thanks.